Nintendo Labo is back with another kit to tinker with. This is Toy-Con 3, the vehicle kit. It's coming out in September, but we got an early preview to check it out, and I'm excited. Popping out pieces.
I'm a newbie to the Labo build-it-yourself world of cardboard accessories for the Nintendo Switch, but it was pretty easy to jump in and start building. In under 10 minutes, I figured out how to fold together the parts for my vehicle key, which holds a Joy-Con controller. But if you do the whole set, you're going to be spending hours building a complex steering wheel with multiple levers and knobs, a foot pedal, a joystick, and whatever this is. It's designed to be used for the included game. Insert the key in different cardboard contraptions, and you switch from car to plane to submarine and complete missions in this open world adventure. You also build a cardboard spray paint can to give your vehicle a custom design. There are even stencils you hold up that use the controller's infrared camera.
The spray can actually sounds like a spray can when you shake it.
So what about gameplay? The open adventure world has various little quests filled with goofy Nintendo humor. Things get more entertaining when a friend jumps into the mix. If you have extra Joy-Con controllers, one person can steer while another shoots off weapons, forcing you to work like a team. We only got to really play for about 30 minutes. It all flew by so fast, so it's hard to get a sense of depth to the quests. There seem to be plenty of missions, but I can tell you what I loved the most: the punching cars.
Oh! Wait, no, I'm still alive!
Fight the computer, or find another friend with a Labo wheel and jump into battle mode. There was a Super Smash Bros. Vibe to it. I was pulling cardboard levers to have these giant fists fly from my car, knocking the other guy out of the arena while trying to grab power-ups. This was a real party game treat. But what if I don't have a friend with their own vehicle kit wheel and pedal? Nintendo opened up the possibility that you can make your own extra cardboard controllers using household objects. The Toy-Con Garage section encourages users to tinker and make their own creations. Take, for example, another side game. 4 players can race slot cars using foot pedal controls. You do not want to buy 4 Labo kits to get all your friends a cardboard pedal, so instead, just follow the included instructions on building extra pedals, using a binder and some kitchen sponges. I left pleasantly surprised at how silly it all was. I love crafts, racing, weird humor. This was my jam. The vehicle kit is available September 14th, priced at $70. But I wonder how long all the construction tinkering and gameplay would keep me entertained. And I would love to see other racing games be programmed to work with this steering system so it doesn't become useless when you beat the main adventure game. Nintendo, you left me curious and wanting more.